guys, welcome to another one. So look at today we're gonna work on my newest project. It's the 2000 Honda Civic. Check this out. Honda Civic 2000. The light body style. It's the DX, so it's light. Manual windows. It's a non-VTEC, so maybe we'll look into changing the head. But other than that, we're not going to change too much on this one. It's already got a lot of goodies. Like I have the Integra seats right here. That's goodies, see? And then I got the quick release NRG. And it has the Momo steering wheel. I have new bolts for the steering wheel, so this thing's going to be refreshed. I got the short shifter. Looks like it's a good one too, because it's got, you know, it has this stuff. That's good, right? That means it's expensive, right? I'm gonna put a radio in it too. I already have it in the closet and stuff. This engine itself is full of stuff. Like, check this out. New radiator. Those sensors look new for the O2. This belt looks brand spanking new. The water pump, I don't know if you can see it. Looks brand spanking new. No, you can't see it. Intake looks like it's been cleaned up, so someone's done some work here. The clutch master cylinder looks brand new. Right there. Brand spanking new. Yeah, this is a good project. Comes with snow tires. So today we're going to be messing with the back of the car. It's got some damage. I'm going to show you. So this is the damage. See? I'm going to fix that today. This is actually a pretty straight car. Alright, my game plan is going to be to take this fuel lid off and knock that dent out here. And then for this, I'm going to have to try to hit it from the inside. You know, again, best as I can. And then Bondo the rest. I'm going to take this off too, so I can paint behind there. I'm going to start whacking this from the back. I'm going to put this thing safely way down here and stay there. This is the first day, and all we did today was Bondo. We did like other stuff like take out taillights, that's it, but mainly body work today. And tomorrow we finish this off and then we start Bondoing the rest of the car. And then who knows, I don't even know what to do next. I guess we start sanding the whole car down. Alright guys, this is day 2. Kind of got to a start without recording, but I did the Bondo. Some more Bondo. And then now we're doing a head gasket test to see if the head gasket's good. Hopefully the head gasket's good, so if we do it. It looks like it's gonna go bad probably. Who knows? So far it hasn't changed colors yet, so hopefully this is a good sign, right? Yeah, it's turning yellow, so looks like we're gonna have to rebuild this engine too. But at least I know what I'm doing, so it's gonna be like really quick. Not VTEC though, what the heck? Sounds healthy, but fuck. Head gasket's blown. You know what I don't understand? Is that why whenever I buy a Honda Civic 2-door, the fucking driver's side regulator is always busted. Look at this. Look at this one's, again, in 2 pieces. The other piece is right there. See, there's the motor. Wait, what? I mean, this one's all jank. Whatever. Scrap pile.
Day 4.
Didn't really get to record much, but this is what I got done today. I got the spoiler, primer, dent's gone. Yay! She's clean. I'm gonna sand her tomorrow though. I don't feel like too much today. Yeah, she's clean. Alright, here's another day's worth of sanding. Some more Bondo. Looking good. I also painted the grill, took out the headlights, resprayed the spoiler. Should look good. That's as far as I went with the Honda this week. So next week I'm going to release the rest of it, hopefully. But until then, here's my black Honda. Here's an update on that one. Here's the Civic, looking good. This is the last iteration of the Civic. Windows fixed, door panels on. Yeesh. We're done. Working AC too. Follow up at midnight.
A fucking goat outside.
It's just a goat.
No, it's a fucking goat.